Jump. I'm recording. Jump. Okay, do something. There you go. Go all the way on your back.
On my back? I can only do it on my butt.
Don't bring the toy on there. Okay, run around like you did before.
Oh, I'm gonna fall.
Now do a handstand. Go on your hands.
Alright.
There you go. Now when you go on your hands this time, jump. Like back and forth. Feet, hands, feet, hands. Jump on your hands and jump on your feet. Then jump on your hands. Yeah, you can. You were just doing it. You go on your hands, and then you come back on your feet, and you go back on your hands. You go back and forth. Now jump, and then go back. But you got to do some kind of jumping with it. Okay, you're funny.